You will need to use the browser, the web browser Chrome. Looks like this. You should use that right now so that you can get this extension for Chrome that you need. You should also use Chrome to open up Canvas whenever you're using Canvas on your computer. So that's the web browser you need. Also here, it's called Chrome. So you can download Chrome if you don't have it on your computer. So use Chrome to go to this website, getproctorio.com. So you need to add something to Chrome so that we can do quizzes using Proctorio, the software to help with cheating. So when you're here, if you're using Google Chrome, it should say done. So the next step here is number 2, click Install Proctorio Chrome Extension. So I'm going to click. And then I'm going to hit the blue button, Add to Chrome. Here, I'm going to hit Add Extension, click. And wait for it to finish. So now it tells me that Proctorio was added to Chrome, and I'm going to see this shield. That's the shield for Proctorio. So when you have that on Chrome, you're ready to go, and you'll be prepared to take your quiz. Good luck!